Hey everyone, this is Chris with BRUCO, here to give you some information on how we can maintain our gym floor so that it is safe and competitive throughout the entirety of the year, or school year. A slick floor is a dirty floor, and a gym's worst nightmare is dust. Let's make sure we can reduce the amount of dust going into our gym. Our first line of defense is going to be matting. Let's make sure we have well-kept matting at every point of entry on the gym. Let's make sure we are vacuuming it and it's well maintained. The more we maintain that piece of matting, the more it's going to work for you. We need to make sure we are dust mopping 2 to 3 times a day with a microfiber dust mop. Let's make sure there's no rocks in it. Let's make sure it is well laundered and good to go. My tip for educational facilities and fitness facilities, let's dust mop as much as possible. We need to make sure we are auto scrubbing daily. We need to make sure we have adequate solution that's diluted to instructions, as well as using a white pad, a pad that is designated only for the gym floor. Let's say we can't get around to it. We're doing it, once or twice a week. We can then possibly move up to a red pad. Let's not go anything above that. We just risk having too much aggression on the floor. This can lead to scratching, dulling the floor, and even halo marks. And when we're done auto scrubbing, we need to make sure our auto scrubber is off the floor completely. Make sure there's no leaks or anything like that. We want to avoid as much moisture as possible. We need to look for black marks, scuff marks, maybe stuff that we missed when we were auto scrubbing. What we really need to do is just make sure we have a good neutral floor cleaner in like a spray bottle, or even if it's just water, and a good clean microfiber. We don't need to use a magic eraser or even a pad center or anything crazy like that. We'll end up doling those marks out. We need something light as possible. A microfiber cloth works best. Hopefully this information was helpful so you can maintain your gym floor throughout the entirety of the year. If you have any questions, please give us a call.